Hello, good morning, friends. I hope all of you are doing good, happy, and healthy. Right? So, friends, today I'm going to show you some changes in the content section of your general chemistry course, Blackboard. I hope you will love these changes. You will see those changes in the content section. The way content has been presented, that area and the delivery folder, it is redesigned now. So if you click on the content, you will see this is the home page of the content area, and you can see the changes here in the theory resources, and you will see the changes in the lab resources. Earlier it was a simple folder where you have to click and directly go inside to see the PPTs. Now I have given one small background information here. What is the importance of this course in very brief, means a brief description. And now this folder is containing following study material for you, like the PPT handouts of various chapters, useful videos for your interest and discussion, some quizzes and interactive activities. These folders means this folder is containing these study materials. And every week I will post one small video here. This video is related to your next week classes. Next week, what kind of discussion we're going to have related to that, I will be presenting a video here. Like next week, we are planning for chemical bonding. So we can see this small video on the chemical bonding.
Chemical bonding.
This is hardly 3 minute video.
Almost everything we see or touch in our daily life is the result.
So this way, for every week, you can see a very interesting video related to the topic that we're going to cover in the next week. I hope you will like this to understand what we're going to do next week. With each video, I will give you one crazy question. So this question is related to this video and topic, but it will also relate your understanding in the daily life, how this concept is related with our daily life. Okay, so every week you will see one video here. Now let's go inside this theory resources folder. This is the main folder. Now inside, as we have different chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, after the midterm, I mean before midterm, we were having atomic structure and periodic table, and I had given you the PPT handouts. Now after the midterm, as I'm redesigning after the midterm, you will see now chapter 3 is presented in a new way. For example, now one line information is given about what you have done before and what you are going to do in this chapter. After learning atomic structure, we have done, and periodic table we have done. Now it's time to explore what is chemical bonding and how it plays important role in nature of materials. Okay, so this is one line information, what we have done before, what we are going to do now. And here already I have given a video to you, so that we hope that you have seen the video, right? So when you see the video, you get an uh, bird view of the topic, means how we understand the topic, small 3 minute video. Now I am also telling you that in this chapter we will discuss various chemical bonds, their features, examples and applications. This folder is containing these study material. Now first was the folder for all theory section. Now inside that we have the folder for various chapters. So if you click now, so here we have PPT handout for this chapter 3, useful videos, one mini bucket list and some self-assessment question. These things are present in the folder. If you click, you go inside, And you see now, these are the study material. You will see the PPT for you, PPT handout, and a small instruction. You can bring it in the classroom. And I have given 4 learning objectives. Means once you complete this chapter, what you will be able to do, where you are going to apply this knowledge, right? Because we are engineers, and after learning all those things, we have to apply it somewhere. So once you complete this chapter, where you can apply this knowledge. For example, you can evaluate the importance of bonding in the material selection. You will also understand why the ice is floating in the water. You can also explain why the CNG is transported as a liquid, not as a gas. Okay, and what is the secret behind the water cycle? These things you will be able to explain and apply once you completed this chapter. So this way, I will give you a small bite-sized information regarding what you will be able to do once you complete this chapter. So this study material is already provided to you before we start the lecture. Okay, and one mini bucket list. It means in a week time, you can try to do these 2 activities. Same way, I will give you small activities that you can try with your family friends, or in your family, and try and observe the thing that is happening, and you can write those observations in a small note, and you can means verify with me, or share with me, or share with your friends. For next lecture, we are also I have requested you to print these AR markers. So in the classroom, I will show you how to use them, means how to see the chemical bond in our real life. Okay, so this is extra material, activity material I have given you. I am also sharing some important videos for you that we will discuss in the classroom. I will share in the classroom. Okay, and you can take 1 or 2 of them and write a small brief summary in 50 words and share with me. Then at the end of the chapter, when we complete this thing, after 3 hours of engagement, then these are few questions for your self assessment, my friend. I have seen your performance in the midterm, so I understood we need more practice of writing. So my friend, and we need the question bank kind of thing, some extra practice. So here 5 questions are given to you. Same way, I will give you the small questions for at the end of each chapter, that you can try in your home, or whenever you are sitting in the library, you write these answers, whatever you have learned. Based on that, you write the answer of these questions in 3 line, 4 line. Discuss with your friends, with your team friends, buddies, and then if you want to discuss with me, you can discuss with me also. So my friend, this way now I am going to present you the study material. I hope you will like the way I am giving you means information before we start the class, 1 week before, on the weekend, and one email will be sent to you that what we are going to do in the next week. Okay, what are the objectives for the next week? You will always receive email from me, like this Wednesday you have received. Now for coming week, same way, next weekend I will send you one more email, and I will release chapter 4 study material, and I will send you email for that. I hope you will like uh, this way of disseminating the information, and what we are looking for in the next week. So you review this system, this event flow and information that I'm sharing with you. And if you have any feedback, certainly it will help us to improve the system. Thank you. Now in the next video, I will take you to the journey to the lab folder.